Hello everyone, I'm Geraldine Pitalbo Locapa and I'm excited to present my video presentation. Welcome everyone. Today we'll be exploring a topic about PE1, Physical Education. This presentation will cover locomotor and non-locomotor movements. Exploring movement, locomotor and non-locomotor movements in PE1. Physical education is an integral part of well-rounded education, fostering physical, mental, and social development. PE1, the introductory level, lays the foundation for understanding movement and its impact on our lives. This report delves into two fundamental categories of movement, locomotor and non-locomotor, highlighting their importance in PE1 and beyond. Locomotor movements, moving from place to place. Locomotor movements are characterized by the body ability to move from one location to another. These movements are essential for everyday activities, sports, and overall physical fitness. Common locomotor movements include walking, a controlled movement with one foot always on the ground, running, a faster version of walking with periods of time when both feet are off the ground, jumping, propelling oneself off the ground with both feet, hopping, jumping on one foot, skipping, a combination of a hop and a step, leaping, a longer jump often involving a preparatory step, galloping, a combination of a step and a leap, sliding, moving the body along a surface, often with a sideways motion, crawling, moving on hands and knees. Let's go to the non-locomotor movements, moving in place. Non-locomotor movements involve moving the body in place without changing location. These movements focus on flexibility, balance, coordination, and body control. Some common non-locomotor movements include bending, moving the body at a joint, twisting, rotating the body at the waist or torso, stretching, extending a muscle or a group of muscles, swaying, gently rhythmic back and forth motion, turning, rotating the body on vertical axis, rocking, a rhythmic back and forth motion often involving the entire body, swinging, moving the body back and forth in pendulum-like motion. Importance of locomotor and non-locomotor movements in PE1. PE1 emphasizes the understanding and practice of locomotor and non-locomotor movements for several reasons. Physical literacy, developing a foundational understanding of movement, principles, and skills. Physical fitness, improving strength, flexibility, coordination, and cardiovascular health. Health and well-being, reducing stress, boosting mood, and promoting overall well-being. Daily activities, making everyday tasks easier and more enjoyable. Sports and participation, preparing students for future participation in sports and recreational activities. Conclusion: locomotor and non-locomotor movements are fundamental to physical activity and play a crucial role in PE1. By exploring these movements, students develop physical literacy, enhance their health and well-being, and prepare themselves for a lifetime active living. PE1 provides a foundation for understanding the importance of movement in all aspects of life, promoting a healthy and fulfilling lifestyle. I believe this information is valuable for everyone. Thank you for your attention and thank you, sir. Bye.